Today, we talk about... Oh man, not again, not again. Bob, hey, yo. Bruh, that downtown dough, that red and green dough, that Christmas dough. Bob, yo, son, dare I say, greatest Christmas shoe of all time. Escala. Don't mind me decked out in head-to-toe navy. Brap. Brand clash. But anyway, these are fire. I mean, my guy, peep this though. Kobe 6, arguably one of the best Kobe silhouettes of all time. Not in my estimation. I would probably have to give it to the 4 or the 9. But with that said, I remember these with, what was the phrase on them? Let me see if it's even in here. It says, I want a shoe. I want a shoe well, it says, I want a shoe. Okay, I see. I want a shoe that molds to my foot. I don't know if you can tell that. Molds to my foot. Trust me, it's in there. And this is KB. Do you love me? Are you riding for the Christmas season in your ass? Hey, yo, look at that. The translucent sole is starting to yeller a little bit. You can tell right there. Zoom technology, the bop of his signature, always a nice little touch. But yeah, man, these laces were a must. They did come with the green as well, but this is the way to go, in my opinion. I do like the green laces in here. They do look dope, but you just can't argue that nice little whoop, 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 whoop effect with the emblem also being in the same color, plus with that swoosh, black mamba. Hey, yo. Apparently a great performer as well, but yeah, I've been rocking these for Christmas the past couple years now, so about to make it 3 in a row. Actually, might be only the second Christmas I'm rocking these. Yeah, it is what it is. What you gonna do? But yeah, this just harkens back to a time when Nike basketball was on top, back when Nike basketball was hype. Back when Kobe was still killing it. So, that's kind of nice. It was just kind of a shitty thing because Gasol was wearing a similar colorway of a different shoe. I forget what. I want to say the Hyperdunks. I could be wrong. But they were playing LeBron James, and they got bodied. People were throwing ish on the court. It was not a nice scene at all. And it was sort of the beginning of the end for the Lake dynasty, if you will, because they got bodied in the playoffs that year, if I remember correctly. To Dallas, I believe. Swept in the first round. I want to say. I could be wrong, but there was no way they were winning the championship the way they were playing that regular season. So it is what it is, but harkens back to a time when NBA basketball, Nike basketball was on top, having great releases during All-Star Weekend, having great releases during the Christmas games. Still going to watch LeBron James with now the Lakers, if you could believe that. Harken back to that match when he was playing against the Lakers and embarrassed them in Staples Center, and then now he's going to be playing against Golden State for the team. And excited for that. But yeah, it's a nice little memory of a simpler time of sneakers. I remember how cool the shoes looked when I was watching the game, but I was watching more of a Laker Kobe fan as opposed to a sneakerhead fan. But even with that said, I was still drawn to these shoes on that day. It was OD. So nice to own them. They were not cheap by any means. When I picked them up, I can only imagine how they look now. They are starting to fade a little bit, even in the front area. But man, I've gotten a decent number of wears out of them. I'm going to wear them for Christmas. By the time you guys see this, it'll be Christmas. So yeah, pumped. Yeah, not much else to say on the Kobe 6s. This was by far the standout model, if you ask me. The Barcelona pair was nice too, but bro, I don't know if you can argue with these. Still leave a mark every Christmas. See them pop up on my IG. But with that said, we'll see you on the next one. We out. Peace.